All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at another English phonic. So L, L, lip, 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 lip. Ah, there we are, lip. Very good, lip. Yeah. And full, full, not fool, full, full, like 100%. Full, full. An apple, L-E, apple, not apple, but apple. Apple. There we are. Very good. Apple. Yeah. Apple. How cool is that? And travel. Not travel. 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 Ah, there we are. Travel. Travel. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Travel. Travel. And pupil, pupil, not pupil or pupil, pupil, pupil or pupil, pupil, like a student, pupil, student. There we are, student. Yeah. How cool is that? Student. Yeah. And final, final, not final, not final, final, the end. The end. Yeah, the end. There we are. End. Final. Yes. An idol. Or idol. 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 Let's have a look. Like a statue. Ah, here we are. Like a statue. There we are. Idol. Idol. Something to look at and to worship. Idol. How cool is that? Yeah. So lip, lip, and full, full, and apple, 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 travel, travel, pupil, pupil, final, the end, and idol. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.